fishing? Well, really trout catching, because fishing is what other people do. We just catch.
Bart's still trying to get his fly out of a tree back there. It's about 2:30. Been out here a little while. Not gonna lie, fishing's been pretty slow today. It's been pretty slow. Today was great. Spent the entire day with my cousin Bart fly fishing, doing nothing. That's a pretty successful Saturday if you ask me. Now, while we were fly fishing all day, we caught nothing. I saw a fish in the river, and I was just hitting him with that fly, and he would not take it. But you know what? You win some, you lose some. We had a good day. It's freezing out now. It's like, I don't even know. It's supposed to be, there's like a chance of flurries tonight. And I'm frozen now. Bart's still out on the river. I'm in the truck waiting for him. But overall, a good Saturday. Good Saturday in western North Carolina. Got out and saw a bunch of beautiful scenery. North Carolina is one of the prettiest states, I think. We got a little bit of everything. We got the beach, we got the mountains. North Carolina is absolutely beautiful. And I love getting out into the North Carolina wilderness. North Carolina backcountry. I like getting out into nature in North Carolina. Let's put it that way. Y'all, we went to sleep last night and woke up to this.